Here I am today with my Look Fantastic box for January. My name's Fawn and this is my channel. It's a happy place. I try to make it so. And if you like hauls and shopping and beauty and a bit of home, just about everything really that is to do with being over 50 and curvy, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. So, Look Fantastic came. It feels like an eternity since I had the last one, and it won't have been. I mean, it'll be a month, but because of the Christmas and New Year in there, it just feels like forever since I had a nice beauty box, and I'm excited to have one. And this one just says, all that you are is enough. I believe in that. Now, if you can hear a kind of grinding, hear that? That is Bert with one of his Christmas presents. He had a bone that looks like plastic. It's green and it's supposed to be bacon flavoured. I don't know why, but he actually likes it. So I'm not taking it off him because while he's chewing that, he's not chewing wool. And as you know, he won't chew rawhide. So here's the booklet called, that just says The Beauty Box Edit. New year, same me, it says on the front, and I am excited. What's in the box? What's in the box? So here we go. Okay, open it up. And first up is a hand mask. Not bad. A lot of people, you know, I mean, we are hand washing a lot more than we used to. Star Skin. I think this company is quite a good one. Star Skin, isn't it? I'm not sure, but I think it is. It says it's a nourishing double layer hand mask gloves. Hollywood hand model. The secret revealed. In the book, it doesn't give a price, as always. Never does with Look Fantastic. But it says it's got a blend of 16 botanical extracts and oils making up the formula, so your hands will appear visibly softer and more supple after just one use. I mean, it is a one-use thing. It's got shea butter, goji berry, macadamia nut, olive oil, licorice and peony roots. Okay, so it says, how do you use them? You use the sticky tabs to close the gloves around the wrist, removing after 15 minutes, and then massage in any remaining serum. I'll definitely give it a go. My hands haven't been too bad, but then I do have skin like a rhinoceros, really. But they are beginning to look really old, I've noticed. Oh joy. Next up is SVR. A facial moisturizer. SVR Laboratoire Dermatologique Hydrolyne Légère. Don't you love my pronunciation? What does it say? It's Physio Adapt D 60% or Physio Adapted Water 60%. Cream Hydrant Intense Moisturising Cream. It's for normal to combination skin and it's tested on sensitive skin. I'm always happy with moisturisers and things. So what does it say in here? It's a facial moisturiser perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin. I probably could have done with this, you know, because that mask, and as you remember, if you remember, I said my eyes were already a little bit sore from using that eye cream that didn't agree with me. I was quite hot yesterday. You know when you touch your skin and it just feels slightly hot, just slightly irritated, which is weird because like I say, I have skin like a rhino normally. So there must have been something in it. And the only thing I can think is that there was a little bit of vitamin C in that eye cream. And I don't seem to get on with vitamin C. If I'm going to react to anything, that's what it'll be. So this would have been really handy yesterday and I will definitely use some tonight. Next is a Grow Gorgeous hair mask, I believe. Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. Oh, overnight mask. Okay, want to read more. It's a hair mask formulated to nourish your hair from roots to end, getting to work overnight. Your Grow Gorgeous hair mask is formulated to enhance shine, reduce frizz and lock in moisture. I love anything that faffs about with my hair because I don't know if you noticed, it seems to be behaving a bit better lately. You know, I didn't go for a hair appointment. I had a hair appointment for another colour. I haven't been over the moon with the colour. The colour's a bit, it's not quite right. And she wanted to cut it and I was like, So I cancelled an appointment. Now we've gone into lockdown. It's going to be a couple of months, so I'll be doing the roots myself or colouring them in anyway. But it is feeling softer and less bristle. So that's great. I would definitely use that. It says, run a generous amount through dry hair, making sure you massage it into your scalp as part of your evening routine. Place hair in a bun, leave hair mask in overnight, and rinse thoroughly in the morning with your favourite shampoo and conditioner. Use once a week. So I mean, you're going to get 2 or 3 goes, aren't you, out of that? If you've got to use a generous amount. Mind, if you've got long hair, then that might be one night, but we'll see. Next is an eco-friendly complexion sponge, or dibber, or what do they call them? What were they called? The pink ones? You know what I mean. Yeah, a complexion sponge that's eco-friendly. Perfect for applying cream liquid products all over the skin for a flawless finish. Wet the sponge, you use it just like any other makeup sponge, I suppose. I wonder what makes it eco-friendly. Hang on, let me get my glasses, see if I can figure this out. It's 100% Tree Nation. It's cruelty-free. Oh, they plant 1 tree for every 100 products sold. That's what it is, not 100% tree. Every 100 of these that we buy, they'll plant a tree. Well, you know, I'm always happy to get a beauty sponge. I don't use them very often, as you know. I'm waiting for one to wow me, so maybe this will be the one. God. I think I lost a few of my brains over Christmas. Well, few of my brain cells over Christmas. Next up is a lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick by Sleek. A liquid lipstick, intense in pigment with a light texture and matte finish. You have 1 of 4 shades. I've got a very pink one. Some of the other shades look slightly better to my... I would have chosen before I chose the pink. But I suppose, you know, I do wear quite strong lipstick, I suppose. So I've got a funny feeling I've already got this colour. Yes, French Fancy. I got this in another box at some time, so I won't open it because I'll put it in a giveaway for someone else, because I literally have that colour. It's quite good, is what I would say, going by the one I already have. It is quite good, but I did find it slightly drying. So I tend to, once it's sort of dried off a little bit, I tended to put a bit of Burt's Bees or something on top, which I suppose defeats the purpose of it being matte. But I just found it, you know, when you get sort of just in there, it feels a bit crusty and not so pleasant. That's what I found. But the colour is great. So that's what we got. And then last but not least is an AV cleansing bar. Avocado and cucumber natural cleansing bar. It's a gentle anti-bac cleansing soap to cleanse to purify both the face and body. Now I don't use soap on my face, but I would definitely use it on my body. It's infused with calming ingredients, avocado and cucumber, which work to nourish, soften and awake the senses. So it's got avocado oil, cucumber extract and essential fatty acids. Now I could have received, oh gosh, it smells like cucumber. I don't know why I'm surprised, but it does. Yes, that's quite a nice smell. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the really natural baby soaps. That's what that reminds me of. Not that, not the Johnson & Johnson baby smell, but if you buy the really natural baby soaps. But that was my option. Now you could also have got the Verso eye cream. Would I have preferred that? Possibly, I don't know. I've got a lot of eye creams on the go at the moment, which is an anti-aging under eye moisturizer rich in hydrating ingredients. So, but I didn't, I got that. So I'll show you the picture. So this is the page where I got that. And I could also have got that. Or no, not also, instead of. Oh my God. So here we go, I'm going to put it back in the box. Here we go, I'm going to look professional. Summer soap. What came next? I don't remember. Oh yes, my Sleek Lippy. My makeup sponge. Beauty blender. That's the word I was trying to think of. My hair mask. My SVR cream. And a hand mask. So that's it. That's Look Fantastic for the month of January. Let's see if there's any sneak peeks. What's coming up? Oh, Illamasqua Beyond the Veil Primer is coming up. I have got that. Again, I had a little sample one from somewhere and I think it's quite good. Would I say it's any better than any of the others that I found? I don't know. No, probably not. Probably not, but it's a good one. And they've got some great quotes in the back of here. No one is you, and that is your superpower. Love that. To love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. That sounds a bit... Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Now I like that one, so I'll end on that one, shall I? Lifelong romance, fall in love with yourself, honestly. So, yeah, that's me. That's looked fantastic. I'm off. Bye, guys.